Ever get that feeling of range anxiety? Imagine this, you're cruising down the highway in your sleek Tesla, the wind whipping through your hair, or sunroof, depending on your preference. The scenery is idyllic, the music's pumping, and everything feels perfect. But then, a nagging feeling creeps in. You glance down at the dashboard, low battery. Now, panic might set in for some. But for Tesla owners, it's usually a minor inconvenience. After all, Tesla boasts some of the most advanced batteries on the road. But a question lingers, just how long do these batteries actually last? Because let's face it, electric vehicles are a fantastic option for the eco-conscious driver. They're quiet, powerful, and a whole lot of fun. But that upfront cost can be a doozy, and a big part of that cost? The battery. So, the idea of needing to replace that giant lithium-ion pack every few years is enough to give anyone pause. Well, fret no more. Today's video dives deep into the world of Tesla batteries, exploring their lifespan, how they degrade, and what factors can affect their longevity. First, let's address the elephant in the room, longevity. According to Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Tesla batteries are designed to last a whopping 300,000 to 500,000 miles. That's insane. To put that in perspective, the average American driver puts on around 13,500 miles a year. So, following that logic, a Tesla battery could potentially last you 22 to 37 years. Now, that's a pretty optimistic scenario. There are factors that can influence battery degradation, like extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. Just like your phone battery hates being left in a scorching car, so too does a Tesla battery. Similarly, consistently leaving your car plugged in at super low or super high charge levels can also accelerate degradation. But here's the good news, Tesla's got your back, and your battery. Their batteries are designed to be super smart, automatically regulating temperatures and optimizing charging cycles to extend their lifespan. Plus, Tesla offers a robust warranty, typically 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, guaranteeing at least 70% capacity retention during that period. That means even after years of use, your Tesla should still be able to deliver a significant portion of its original range. Okay, so we've established that Tesla batteries are built to last. But what happens if your battery does degrade below a certain point? Well, in most cases, you won't need a complete replacement. Tesla offers battery pack servicing, where they can potentially replace individual modules within the pack, keeping costs down. There's also a growing aftermarket for Tesla battery replacements, though it's important to do your research before going this route. Always ensure you're using a reputable service provider with high-quality batteries. The truth is, Tesla battery technology is constantly evolving. New research suggests future batteries could last a mind-blowing 100 years or reach a staggering 4 million miles. That's some serious science fiction stuff. So, can you rely on a Tesla battery to take you the distance? Absolutely. With proper care and thanks to Tesla's innovative design, you can expect a long and happy life from your electric companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it charged.